right. I knocked it off again. Right, now guys, we're just going to carry on destroying the gun because I'm not having like a 2-second video. Right, that's good. No, it's not. I found in the script. I'm going to ask my mum if you don't believe us. Why, yes, 400 likes, 400 subscribers, and I'll press that wire. I'm going to press it anyways. I'm only joking. I did actually press it, but it didn't do anything. A gun that was found in the skip is really reliable. Look, Kirsten. Look, guys. Wires. Yeah. I broke one of the wires. In your video. Yeah. Hi. Ooh, guys, it looks like I've just found another thing. I'm going to start it with car wash. Everything is awesome. We have an idea. Leave it. 555 likes and pass. There's freaking no stop! Stop doing that, man. I just. Do you want to keep your video Regan? I don't give a care. I'm gonna bleep it out. Beep. That's what I mean. Yow! You ready? You did. I've got you a water. You want to get it? I'll make hyper. Let me move. Let me do some. What? You on video then? Regan. No. This is going to be a TikTok trend, this. I will die. Oh no. Great, guys. Now I think I found a new blooming minigun. Right, finally, let's just put it out of this misery. God damn it.
Can we destroy the controller now?
Yeah. Controller. Right, guys, now we're doing all the part that you want. How did I not cut the camera off though before when I was chasing the dog? At the end of the video, we're going to do a lovely view from somewhere. But we need to be quick. Right, first scene is going to be the Xbox Rage. Come on. Go. Alright guys, the power of 2 cameras. I'm only joking, I'm not that good of an editor. Subscribe and like though, and I might be able to buy that big blimmin' thing or whatever you call it.
Regan.
Also guys, now we're going to go and have a look at the splendid crew. Right, and I'm going to get a video of all of them just to say thank you. We're all going to shout thank you. Well, not all of them, but I'm going to shout thank you to them all. Right, I'll see you when we're on top of the hill. Oh. Thank you. This is our cast. What's your name?
Eliana.
What's your name?
Finley.
And his brother is just around here, right? Now this is our brother. Are you ready?
I am Lyndon.
Bow. Right. This is our cast, Kirsten Brooks and Logan Wake. Thank you to all yous for helping you, and me. I'm the cameraman and I do everything else. Right. Yeah, you can tell this has been burned. Now let's go to the view. The view is extraordinary. This is Chobbiton, UK. It is amazing.
What about if you point over there? It's better. Point over there, it's better.
That's my street.
Point over to the village.
I don't know if you can hear, guys, but I think there's a blooming military plane. Also, all of it, guys. Oh, right. On.
God bless Ukraine.
Demi.
God bless Ukraine.
You did say God bless Ukraine. And for me, I hope you all evacuate from the city. I hope this all just goes over. God bless you, Ukraine. I really bless you. I've been raising money for charities for it. And I think there's a thing in the comments. And you might be able to donate to my mum's Facebook. I've only got £20, right? Thank you to our cast for doing this video for free, so I don't need to pay them basically, so you know, all the money I make can go to Ukraine. Please just don't forget to subscribe so I can make the money and give it to Ukraine. I'm actually doing it. I'm setting up a site on GoFundMe. Go and do it once I've got it up. I'll put it in the link in the description. Thanks guys. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.